Yeah, so welcome back to my channel, Sea Pride. Today is Saturday, April the 11th. Last 2 days it was pretty windy outside, like 50, 60 mile an hour wind gusts, and um, just destroyed some of my vegetables. Cucumber down there, that's done. That cucumber there, that's done. I had a little okra plant that's done. Uh, these purple tomatillas, uh, they're probably going to be done. So, time to pretty much restart everything. Just about everything. Come over here. When did a number on my potato plant. I took some plant twist ties and tried to put that back together. I don't know if it'll stand back up on its own. Hopefully it will. If not, that just really sucks. And then come down here and tomato plants. Yeah, they're going through a struggle too. So, just wanted to show what was all going on in the garden with the wind damage, and yeah, I'm just gonna have to start everything back over. So sometimes, even when you think, well, for me anyway, because I'm a new gardener, new to the outdoor stuff, at least all of this stuff, I guess sometimes when you think you're lining it up the right way with the last frost date, especially here in zone 7B, sometimes we can be wrong. So no big deal. Just have to restart them and get them back out in the ground as soon as possible. So just wanted to show you guys that. See you next time.